Welcome to my channel. Today we will be removing R60 mini Countryman glow plugs. First step is to remove the glow plug wiring using glow plug connector removal pliers, or a normal pliers, like I did. Next step is to remove the glow plugs using 10mm deep socket. Common signs of a faulty glow plug include hard starting, especially in cold weather, rough idling, white or black smoke from the exhaust, and a flashing or illuminated glow plug warning light. Glow plugs typically last around 80,000 to 100,000 miles or approximately 5 years, but their lifespan can vary based on factors like driving conditions, maintenance, and the quality of the plugs themselves. You have successfully removed your glow plugs. Thank you for watching. If you did like the video, please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.